Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday deals for 8/20, and they're clearance, so let's go. Okay guys, let's get to our first deal. And it's going to be, you're going to pick up one of these Cloroxes right here. It's $1 coupon at $2.75. One Scott at $3.50, it's $1 coupon. You need to pick up the Febreze Air Mist. You got to pick up one with a flavor to it, a seasonal flavor to it. That's what happened. The smell is seasonal. I'm sorry. I don't like seasonal smell, so that's why I didn't collect this. But this $3.25 with a $2 coupon. Then you're gonna pick up one Colgate 3.0 ounces at $3.25. It's a $2 coupon. And then pick your 2 Axe deodorants up at $5.75. It is a $7 off 2 coupon. So not only do you get one free, but you also get a money maker in there. So let's do this. And don't forget, you could use your 5 off 25 Monday through Friday or the Saturday one. This is the Monday through Friday. It's yellow, and the Saturday one is black. Okay, so that's our important coupon. Make sure you clip that. Now we're going to do our math. Okay, let's do the Axe. The Axe is $5.75, and it is a $7 off, $7.50 off 2 coupon that expires 10/14. So we're good. Then we're going to scan our Clorox. The Clorox is $2.95, went up, guys, and it is $1 coupon. It used to be $2.75. All right, do you guys remember that? And then we have this really bad box of Colgate Optic White, which I'm not gonna get because it's so broke in. Okay. All right, that's $3.25. They gave us a $2 coupon that does not expire to 9/27. And then we're gonna do the Febreze Air Care. Remember, it is the one with the seasonal smells to it, like cinnamon and all of that, which I don't like. $3.25. They gave us a $2 coupon that does not expire to 9/27. And then tissue. You have a Scott tissue 6 count at $3.50, and you have a $1 coupon that expires tomorrow. Okay, so let's get our math together. We are $3.50 for the tissue, $2.95 for the Clorox, $3.25 for the toothpaste, $3.25 for the Air Care, and $5.75 twice for the Axe deodorant. Takes us to $24.45. You're going to add on 55 cents. Takes us to 25 evenly. That 55 cent, guys, could be a piece of candy. Go to the clearance and grab anything. Just don't go over on your budget. Okay, now we're going to take our 5 off 25. Take your 1 off the Clorox, off the Scott. Take your 1 off the Clorox. Your 2 off the toothpaste. Your 2 off the Febreze Air. And your $7.50 off of the Axe deodorant. Leave us at $6.50. Divide that by 6 products, $1.08 each. If you don't get nothing else out of it, you got 6 rolls of tissue for $1.08. Now you don't have to do the $3.51. You could easily go up to the one for $5 and use that one, okay? And I have not paid $1.08 for Clorox cleaning supplies in so long. Like, this is what I'm excited about, the cleaning product. Let's get on to our next deal, guys. Okay guys, let's get to our next one. And guys, tell me, which deal do you like, or which deal are you doing? Pick up one Swiffer dry and wet kit. This one is $15. It is a $5 coupon. And then we're going to pick up the 2 Axe deodorants at $5.75. It is a $7.50 coupon off of 2. Okay, so we're going to scan this first because we did not see that coupon. Okay, here it is, and that one is $15. And I'm slowing down because I'm over here on this end part, so I'm circling, guys, but that's $15. So let's look at it. Wait a second, see if it'll catch up. Okay, here it is, $15, and there is the coupon. $5 manufacturer, expires on Saturday. Now we're going to do the deal. It is $15 for the Swiffer kit, $5.75 for each Arm & Hammer, for each Axe deodorant. Lord, Arm & Hammer is on my mind, guys. Takes us to $26.50. We are over about $1.50. take your 5 off 25, take your 5 off the Swiffer, and take your $7.50 off of the Axe deodorant. Leaves you at $9. Divide that by 3 products, $3 each. First of all, this right here costs $15. If I can pay $3 for it, I'm doing great. The Axe deodorant that we paid $3 for is much smaller, and this Swiffer kit by itself is $15 by itself. It's $9 for the entire deal, guys, after the coupon. So you're still making out for a good deal. Even if you grab this and these 2 items right here, you're making for a good deal because it's $9 and not $15. So which deal are you doing, guys? Remember, you could do this Monday through Friday, making this Friday, and you could do it on Saturday. So if you have multiple accounts, stock up. Okay, let's get to our next deal. Here's a deal I want you guys to do, because we have the spend 15, save 5 on the Persil and Purex, and then we're going to use the 5 off 25. Okay, now at your own risk, do it whichever way you see other people do it, but I'm going to show you so that you won't be in any trouble. Okay, pick up 1 Persil, 75 fluid ounces at $9.95, and then 2 Purex, 17 count at $4 each. 1 of the Airwick essential oils at $4.35. It's a $3 coupon. This smell good, we know it's a $2 coupon, and this toothpaste, we know it's a $2 coupon. Okay, now let me scan the Persil and the Purex so you'll see what I'm showing you. All right, I don't like to go in and you got to do tricks of the trade, especially people that follow me. I don't want you to be doing that. So I used to do them, I don't do them anymore. So here it is, $9.95. Now you have 2 coupons. You have a spend 15, save 5. Now what do you know about this Dollar General coupon? It does not stack with another Dollar General coupon. You have to cover that $5, right? Now here we go. Then you have a earn $3. Manufacturer, these stack together. Then we're going to do the Purex. The Purex is $4. You have a $5 off 15, and then you have that earn $1 limit of 2. So let's add those. Okay, let's do this one first. Let's do the smell good, $4.25, and then you have a $3 off coupon. Let's do the math. $9.95 for the Persil, $4 for each one of the Purexes. Okay, you're already over about $2.95. Okay, you're over about $2.95, but it's spend 15, save 5. Remember, keep that in your head. Plus $4.35 for the kit, $3.25 for the Febreze, then another $3.25 for the Colgate. $28.80. Now this is why I'm going to tell you, let's take this away. Let me show you something. Take that 5 off. See, it drops you down to $23.80. That is not enough. You have to go up to $30 because they're going to take that. Now some people say it's spend 15, save 5, but if you're doing the 5 off 25, you need to go over 25 to get to that mark. Okay, so add something else in. Best thing, I will add the Clorox in if you want to do that deal. So let's go back to $28.80. Okay, plus $2.95 for the Clorox takes us to $31.75. Okay, you're going to take your 5 off the 15, leave you at $26.75. Then take your 5 off 25, leave you at $21.75. Then you can start taking your coupons off. $1 off the Clorox, 2 off of the Febreze, 2 off the Colgate, and 3 off of that kit. Leave you at $13.75. Now this is what you will pay out of pocket, okay? But remember, once you do that, your cash back will be $3 for the Persil and $1 for each Purex. Takes you to $8.75. Now we know that 1 Purex is $9.95, and these are $4 each, okay? Now divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. You're going to pay $1.25 each. If you can pay $1.25 for this Persil, baby, grab that deal, because I will sell this for I sell this for $8, and I only paid $1.25. $1.25 is for these. I probably sell those for like $3 because I make sure they see in the store that it's 4. This was $4.35, and then I'm gonna pay $1 and something for this. I'll probably sell it for $2.50. Okay, so there you go. But now if you want to, you could do this deal. Add in the deodorant. Deodorant is $5.75. That's a bigger amount. Okay, let's see what that one do. So $9.95 plus $4 plus $4 plus $5.75 for each deodorant takes you to $29.45. Okay, find you a piece of candy. 0.55 take you to $30 evenly. Take that 5 off that Purex, the 5 off the 25, 5 off the 25, and then take your 7 off of the deodorant. Take you to $13. See, the other one was $13.75. So if you want to, you could just do just the Axe deodorant, so it won't be confusing. Now, once you do that, remember you're gonna pay out. Cash back will be $3 for the per seal and $1 for each Purex. Leave you at $8. Divide that by 5 products. This time you're gonna pay $1.60 for it. Okay, so this went up to $1.60. It's still an awesome deal, guys. Now let's get to some fillings. This advance right here is connecting to that $3 coupon. $4 is $3 off. Don't forget the men's Axe deodorant. Body washes are $5.50. You have a 5 off 2 coupon. Now you also can do the cotton nail. It's $5 or $4.95. They gave us $1 coupon. The Mr. Cleans are 3 for $10. When you do this deal, because that is a, let's look at that coupon. Let's see if it's a manufacturer or a regular coupon or a Dollar General coupon. So let's see. $4. Come on. Okay, so that Mr. Clean is a manufacturer coupon, so we do not have to cover anything. So let's do a nice deal. The Mr. Clean are 3 for $10 plus $5.75 for each Axe deodorant. Take us to $21.50 plus $4.35 for that kit. Take us to $25.85. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 7 off the Axe deodorant and take your 3 off the kit. Leave you at $10.85. Divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $1.80 each. So these become now $1.80, guys. These deals are awesome, guys. If you like the way I did my 5 off 25 deals, tune in every Friday, and whenever we have a Monday through Friday deal, make sure you like, subscribe, and share Harvey's coupon account. We don't gatekeep. Bye. Clearance items, guys. Pantene. So it's $9, half of that, $4.50, no coupon. Would have been nice if we had a coupon for that one, right? Okay. And they have some food items. The noodle mix, which I think was here last time. So 90 cents, half of that. Which now that ain't a bad deal, the chicken noodle soup. My mom liked that. The scrubbing bubbles. I don't know if this is just sitting here or not. Let me scan it for you. $3.50, nothing. That ain't bad. I'll ask at the counter. Whoa, don't fall. Then you have the chocolate covered cookies. Let me scan that. $2.95, half of that. These were on sale last time, so I do believe that one. The Nivea, I don't know. Let's see. I thought Nivea had a coupon. Okay, $5.25, half of that, no coupon. You have t-shirts up here. Let's see. Small t-shirts, ladies. Let's see how much they are. Sometimes they be good prices. $5.40, half of that. Do they have 3 off 10? No. The silver pans. Let's see. silver pen. $4. I ain't nuts. I will never get that for $4. Gotta learn where your money going to. And then it's some up front, guys. I'm not gonna be able to talk with it, but I'm gonna show it to you because it's the cashing out part. Okay. Now we got a lot of medicine coupons, so make sure you're checking over here. Also, like this Playtex. Let's see. That's $6.35. No coupon. Then, oh wait, I think Aleve had a coupon. But that's the small box, so we don't know. $1. Ooh, that's cheap for Aleve though. So it will be 50 cents. Is it expired? $1.25. Yep, expired. You check the nasal quart. $14.75. Ooh, it's a coupon for $5 off. $14.75. Divide that by 2. No. Oh, what did I do? $7. I'll take that 5 off. You'll pay $2.37 for the nasal quart if you guys need it. Afrin. I don't like that. It's a pseudo effective. That's why. Make you want to use it all the time. You don't want to get stuck into that scenario with this. $5.85, no coupon, but that's a good idea for the nasal quart spray. Okay guys, so not that good at all.